Today we're making small batch wild strawberry honey no pectin jam. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Check out this video on foraging for wild strawberries. They may be small, but they're packed with lots of flavor. This recipe makes 2 1/4-pint jars. Sanitize your jars in advance of making your jam. You'll need 1.5 pounds of wild strawberries. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup honey. Chose a strawberry honey recipe for this because honey can also be something that you can forage. You'll need the juice of half a lemon. Wash, dry, hull, and chop the strawberries. Let set for 10 minutes. Add the honey and stir. Place in a saucepan and add your lemon juice. On high heat, bring your jam mixture to a boil and cook for about 10 minutes. Take a plate you've put in the refrigerator out and put your jelly on that. And if it sticks to the plate and doesn't get too runny, you know that you've passed the gel test. Once your jelly passes the gel test, go ahead and ladle it into your sanitized prepared jars. If you're not going to eat it right away, go ahead and process in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. There you have it, wild strawberry honey no pectin jam. Adding wild forage foods to your pantry is so easy. Use your wild foraged strawberry honey jam the same way you would use any strawberry jam. It's so yummy. Check out these other videos in our wild foraged foods playlist. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. If you don't subscribe, you might miss another episode.